In this video, we'll show you how you can see the entire list of your subscribers in YouTube Studio on your Android or iPhone. So as you may already know, YouTube Studio doesn't really offer an option that shows you a list of your subscribers. For this, you will need to open a web browser and then search for YouTube Studio. Now click on the first link that appears here. Now this will ask you to open the app. Instead, select this Continue to Studio option. If for some reason when you click on this YouTube Studio option and it takes you directly to the app, there is a way to fix this. For that, simply long press on the app icon and then select this info icon. Now here select set as defaults and make sure to turn off this toggle that says open supported links. After that, head to your web browser, select YouTube Studio and then select Continue to Studio. Now this will open YouTube Studio like you see on your desktop. Now here you can go to this recent subscribers option and then tap on see all. Now here you will see a list of all your subscribers. You can change the time from here. So it's currently showing subscribers for the past 90 days, but I can select lifetime from here and it will show me all my subscribers. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.